Free. I wanna be free. I'm gonna be free. Carnival on Thursday. It's Carnival on the Lake boat cruise. Every single year it's sold out. This year it's gonna be bigger and better. Your Chutney Soca Monarch, Mr. Raymond, the original showstopper from the world's #1 Soca Chutney band. You know who? DIL E NADAN. I'm gonna be there. Carnival on the Lake. It's bigger, it's better. Carnival on Thursday. You don't wanna miss it. And also we have the official launch of the Unstoppable Junior. Check it out. Carnival on the Lake boat cruise. Everybody's gonna be there. Sold out every single year. Your Chutney Soca Monarch, I'm gonna be there. It's gonna be big, big, big. Boom! The showstopper loves you. Carnival on the Lake. Mwah. Boom! Free!